What's up? Just in time for the apartment tour. Welcome. This is the Voyager's apartment. We're giving you a tour today of our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. I just recently moved back to DC. So the first bedroom is my roommate Thomas's bedroom. He's behind the camera right now. Great videography skills. Very clean room. And then we got his bathroom on the other side. Ooh, very nice. Hello there. Ladies, he's single. All right. And then as we come into the apartment, we have our washer dryer in unit in here. Thomas was running some laundry before this. And then we come into our kitchen, dining space, living space kind of. So all of this furniture graciously provided by Thomas and his family, except the TV and the bench I brought. So we have our fridge here where we keep all of our goodies. And then the nice under cabinet lighting here for the kitchen. Nice clean white marble countertops. This is where the cooking action happens. Me and Thomas cook up some pretty fire meals. And then as we come into the living room, you can see we have our nice sports corner here. We have the Go Terps, obviously, and this is where we watch most of our TV. And we have our nice big floor-to-ceiling window here. You have a nice view out to the duck pond. But yeah, we spend a lot of our time here. Just recently moved back. We're at the Wharf. And so yeah, there's a lot to do around here. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out my room. So this is my bedroom where I spend a good amount of my time as well. And so we have my bed here. And now that I'm an adult, I have more pillows. So you can do 4 pillows. Pretty nice upgrade. And then I have my posters up here, my movie posters. And so I basically took the room format that I had at my parents' house, if you watched my moving back home video, and I took it here, rearranged it for some interior design. But if we come over here, we got the studio, where I edit my videos, where I do most of my work, watch TV, play video games, that kind of thing. And then I have this YouTube plaque that my friend got me for my birthday. Hopefully someday we'll have a legit real one to hang up. And then if we come over here, that's where I keep most of my clothes. You can see I have a little Marie Kondo fold going on to make sure to maximize my storage. I got a good amount of clothes. My new Marshall speaker, and then obviously the Infinity War movie bill from when I saw Infinity Wars. And then we can go ahead and check out my bathroom now. So this is my first time where I've had my own bathroom. So if we come into the bathroom, I think it's a really nice bathroom. We got the nice white marble. They kept it same as the kitchen. It has a lot of storage space, so I can keep all my things pretty organized. Has a standing shower. Came with a stool. I don't really know. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I don't really know what people do with that. But there's a stool in there, so that's pretty cool. I have my nice feminine soaps. A lot of people make fun of my soaps, but I don't use the 2-in-1 hair conditioner, body wash thing. So got my soaps. But yeah, no, having my own bathroom is pretty cool. I think it's pretty important when you're moving into a place that you have at least as many toilets as people, because just in case, you know. And then yeah, so past the bathroom, then we got my walk-in closet. So walk-in closet, this is where I keep a lot of my clothes that I have to hang up, a lot of my shoes and stuff. I think, so the walk-in closet, I basically organize it. So if there was a store that sold all the stuff that Vu owns, if you want to look like Vu, this is what that store would look like. So yeah, pretty cool to have this walk-in closet and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much the apartment. But yeah, let's go check out the rest of the complex. So now we're in the gym area. We got a split gym here. So we have our more lifting machinery section on the right, and then we're going to take a walk through the Peloton studio real quick over here. So in the Peloton studio, we got 3 bikes, a few rowing machines, some medicine balls, and then on that screen right over there, you can put workout classes, and it's there's a touchscreen panel, and you can put workout classes right there, and it shows up, gets you everything you need. And then we can take a look over at the lifting studio. lifting studio. If I go to the gym, this is where I am most of the time. It has treadmills where I do cardio. We have the matrices. We have dumbbells that go up to 50. They just added new benches. A lat pull-down machine, rowing machine. Kind of everything you need for your basic apartment gym, maybe a little bit more. I actually forego my gym membership now that I have this apartment gym, save myself some money. And then, so yeah, it's a pretty nice gym. They keep it pretty cool in here. It's usually not too crowded, which is nice. They have this tire thing, which I love. I've only used it a few times, but you kind of just, and then you feel really good about yourself. But yeah, I need to incorporate that more in my workout, because that's just a fun time. And then if we walk through the gym, so here's all the cardio machines, very cool. Get your cardio in, get your lift in. They even have a TV, so you can watch TV while you're lifting as well. And if we come through the gym, we get to one of 3 courtyards. So the apartment complex is made up of 4 different buildings, and then 3 courtyards to separate them. In the courtyards, there are like different seating areas, and then the grills and fire pits, just places where you can kind of chill and hang out with friends, read a book, eat some meals, have a good time. We're gonna go on to the next courtyard where we have the pool. Let's go check it out. So here we are in the second courtyard. So like I was saying, there's a lot of different grilling spaces, a lot of different seating areas. This is one of the more fancy spaces that you can kind of have for parties. They have a little bar going on here. They have a grill, lots of tables. They have TV in the back. I see a lot of people rent this out for like birthday parties, different events, that kind of thing. So it would be a cool spot to hang out. And if we come on up here a little bit more, we have it's nice that we have some grassy areas in the city too. You can kind of chill out. I was playing some soccer around here the other day. It's pretty cool. And so here we have the pool of the apartment. It's like a resort style pool, so kind of like a half moon, half circle shape. I've seen people do laps in here, but mostly people just go in here, chill with their friends. I've never actually had a pool or lived at a place with a pool, so I'll definitely be spending a lot of time at this pool, especially with the summer months coming up. Always nice to have a pool. If you're in the area, let me know. We'll have a pool party. So we also have a dog park. The apartment is very pet friendly. Dogs, cats, whatever the pets you may have, goldfish, I don't know, throw them in the pool maybe. And if we come up here, you can kind of see we have a foosball table, and then a ping pong table, and then a shuffleboard table over there. So it would be cool. I think you just go to the lobby, get the equipment, come out, play some games with your friends.
Go in there?
Yes, please. Thank you. And then as we go into another one of our buildings, there is the club room here. So in the club room, there's another space you can rent out, good for parties. They have the TV space, they have like a mini bar here, we have a fridge on this side, and then on the other side, like you could have some tables where people are eating. There's a pool table back here, 2 TVs back here. Just a pretty good, another good party space. This one's good for indoor spaces. We saw the good outdoor party space, and we got some more spaces coming too, so let's keep on the tour. Alright, so here we are on the top floor of our main building. I will take you to maybe one of the highlights that I've been told on our tour, but we'll let you see for yourself. So this is the club room on the top floor of our main building. They call it the private wine room, kind of, because you come in here and there's like this crazy big bar, got a fridge underneath, I think there's like an oven underneath. You can store food here, have parties up here, host friends up here. They have a pretty cool alcohol wall too. Just very, very cool interior design. And not only is this a cool part about this top floor club room, but there's also usually like a window door that slides open and then it reveals the rooftop terrace. So rooftop terrace, we got a little indoor, outdoor living situation. When you slide the doors open, it's very nice. And then we just step out, pop, rooftop terrace. So we come out on the rooftop terrace, and there's a lot of seating out here. You could host a lot of people up here. Just a lot of places to chill at this apartment. That's the vibe that I'm getting. But you come up here, and you see, I've worked up here. I've eaten dinner up here with my family. At night, they turn on the lights, so you get a nice little romantic ambiance if you want that. and you come and you can see literally the airport's over there. You come up here and then you can see the monument over there. You see Arlington over there. The wharf is down there. You see the water. Just a lot of good views from this rooftop terrace. A lot of places to chill. I really like this apartment. But yeah, that about concludes our tour. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Voyager out. Welcome to my house.